So this is the area, not far from the roadside. You can even walk. So this is the room, and I'm gonna take you inside. Okay. Okay, this is our key. Okay. When you enter, this is the living room. We have fan, and then we have air conditioning. So this is the kitchen. Kind of cute. You have your burner. Water is coming. Everything is working. So you see, very neat. It's right here in the city center of Ouagadougou. Yeah, it's right in the city center of Ouagadougou, and we are paying. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EfyaKimora here. If you're old here, I really appreciate you for coming back. But if today is your first time clicking on my video, I appreciate you as well. But please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more of such interesting adventures and more discovering and everything. Guys, we are here in Burkina Faso. My first time in Burkina Faso, and we are in Ouagadougou. And I want to take you through the apartment that we are lodging in. I'm here with my one travel buddy. He's behind the camera, so he's with me throughout this trip, Burkina and Mali. Yeah, he's called Nino. So he's behind the camera, and I'm going to show you the apartment that we are lodging in, the price and everything. It's a one-bedroom apartment, but it's quite neat and also security-wise on top. So let's go. Guys, we are here at our apartment. Our Airbnb host came to pick us from the junction, from the roadside, and we are here. Okay, this is our key. Okay.
Buy the electricity and put.
Oh, okay.
Electricity.
Okay. Merci beaucoup. So this is our room.
So will you be taking us out?
So no electricity.
After Okotala.
No, don't be wrong about you. Il s'est sorti chou bayre. Oh, d'accord, we good, c'est bon. So this is the area, not far from the roadside. You can even walk. So we are right in front of our apartment. This is it. Security, consciously wise, very good. That is it. And that is the whole apartment. So this is ours. This is our apartment. So this is the room, and I'm gonna take you inside. Okay. So this is it. This is the main entrance. Before that, let me lock it in. Let me lock it before you come here. So this is the whole area. So here we are. This is the apartment. You enter. We just got here. It's not like even settled. And when you enter, this is the living room. And the living room, what do you have? We have a television. We have, I don't know why the blender is in the living room, but you have a blender. It should be in the kitchen. You have a microwave and your tabletop fridge. Do you get it? And also the sofa, very beautiful. And some this study table or that dining table. You can use it for anything, either study table or dining table. Then right here you have, let's finish the living room. You have fan, and then we have air conditioning. Yeah, the ceiling too is very beautiful, as you can see. The ceiling is nice. Then we go to the kitchen. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. Kind of cute. You have your burner. Water is coming. Everything is working. So you see, very neat. Oh, this man, the man Nankasa, is neat. You see how he came to pick us from the roadside. So this is the kitchen. Anything here? Some saucepan if you want to cook. Will we cook?
Of course, we will do cooking.
Oh, okay. Let's see. So, if you want to open, so you can open. So this is the living room and the kitchen. It's a one-bedroom apartment, as I said. So now let's go to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. Ta-da! So we have the main bed. It's having an AC as well. Yeah, the air condition, the fan, the ceiling, to everything, the lighting. Oh, this man is so up there. Oh, taste, yeah. And then we come to original. You can see that we have wardrobe here with bedspreads. Oh, you have iron here and all that. Okay. The ground is tiled with nice tiles. That's what you think of my anyway. Then right here you have your bathroom here. You know, the bathroom, I think all the tap. Oh, yeah. The water is flowing. The shower too. Okay, it's coming. Okay, and the toilet and everything, nicely tiled, ceiling, lighting. Correct. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. You have a mirror here too. You have your whether bathroom mirror or something like that. But let me tell you, do you know how much we paid for this? Let's go to the living room. We are spending $490. So 4 nights, 3 days. So we are spending $490, and in all we are paying 155 USD points and points. Me, I've forgotten, and I can't even calculate how much we paid for a day, but I think it was less than $30 or $35 or something like that. It's right here in the city center of Ouagadougou. Yeah, it's right in the city center of Ouagadougou, and we are paying 155. Isn't this so, like, I think it's quite cool. It's moderate for 4 nights, and we are 2, so we are going to share. And how we are going to spend it, or how you are going to divide, or how you are going to share the rooms in their farm, or even how you are going to share the rooms. So that is that. If you leave your budgeted friend to do the booking, me, I'm a budgeted person, but today when you are the papa, yeah, I'm getting something new. So I forgot one thing. You have to buy your own light bill, like electricity. You have to buy your own electricity. We are buying 5,000 CFA for 4 days. Yeah, we paid 5,000 CFA for 4 days, and he's going to buy it on his phone for you. Then it will come, then you pay him back. But it's free Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is here. He's gonna give you the Wi-Fi code, and it's strong. You know the Wi-Fi is strong, eh?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so the Wi-Fi is strong, but for the light you have to buy it yourself. We are buying 5,000. Yeah, for electricity for 4 days. If you're using our time, name is the battery and the aquadia. Okay, whatever. And this is our apartment. And this is our host. So Mr. Konate. He's our host. Say hi to my followers.
Hi. Bye bye. A bientôt.
Oh, yeah, bientôt.
A bientôt to come to Burkina Faso.
They come to this apartment. Yeah. Okay. So guys, you are done. And don't forget to like, share the video. Thank you for watching. We are in Ouagadougou. We are about to start the whole show, so don't go anywhere. This is just a tip of an iceberg. See you in my next video. Love you and bye bye.